Hello everyone, my name is Sarve Sachin and today's topic is hash table in Java. So let's discuss the hash table. So hash table class is the implement hash table which maps key to value. So any non-null object can be used as a key or a value to successfully store the retrieved object from a hash table. The object used as a key must implement the hash code method and the equals method. The java.util.hashtable class is the class in Java that provides a key value. Key value data structure similar to the map interface. It was part of the original Java collection framework and was introduced in Java 1.0 version. So however, the hash table class has since been considered absolute. It is used generally discouraged. This because it was designed prior to the introduction to the collection framework and does not implement the map interface, which make it difficult to use in conjunction with other part of the framework. In addition, the hash table class is synchronized, which can result in slower performance compared to other implementation of the map interface. So in general, it's recommended to use the map interface or one of its implements, such as map or concurrent hash map instead of the hash table class. So let's discuss some feature of hash table. It is similar to hash map, but it is synchronized. Hash table store key or value pair in hash table. In hash table, we specify an object that is used as a key and the value we want to associate to that key. Key is then hash, and the resulting hash code is used as the index at which the value is stored within the table. The initial default capacity of hash table class is 11, where load factor is 0.75. Hash map does not provide any enumeration, while hash table provide non-fail fast enumeration. So hash table data structure in an array or bucket format. So hash table store in pair key and their associated